This is going to be a very basic tutorial in which we will cover how to calculate the income tax from the bank statement which you have. So first of all, we have to download the bank statements from all the accounts we have. So for example, if we have two accounts, then you have to ensure that you can take any of the bank statement as the base, and you can have these heads, so value date, transaction date, check number, remarks, withdrawal amount, deposit amount, balance, and then we will try to add some more custom fields or heads such as bank. So just in case you are having multiple bank accounts, then you can have the bank identifier, and then type of transaction, was it a credit or debit, and then category of the expense or the income, and then will it be taxable or not. So, and over here you can have the serial number as well. So we are having the random serial number starting from 1 to all the transaction we have. These are the value dates, these are the transaction dates, these are the check numbers. So this is the dummy data for now, but when you will download the bank statement, they will have some figures. So have a proper structure, and then ensure that all your bank statements are in this structure. So you will have to move your columns a bit, and then you have to ensure that all the values are in one single structure. And once that is done, you will just add them below one another so that the data is populated. And once that is done, you can just categorize the data. Now we have to categorize the data. So for all the credit transactions, you have to categorize. For example, this is refund, so it's a credit, but it's not taxable. Then we have salary from firm, so it is salary, and then taxable. Then we have miscellaneous income from other source, so it can be income #1, and then it is a taxable thing. Then these are the debits. So we don't really have to too much care about the debits. We just have to care about the credits, because all the incomes which you are receiving is supposed to be taxed if it is a taxable income. And then we have ATM withdrawal, which is a credit. So this is wrong date actually. It can be, for example, some refund from PayPal, for example. So this is a refund, so it is not a taxable thing. And then we have salary from firm 2. So it's a salary, but it's from another cell or another firm, so it is taxable. Then we have income from other consultancy, so it's income and it's from other consultancy, so we will have identifier as well, and then we will make it taxable. So now what we have done is we have all the data, and all the data is categorized, and we have mentioned if it is taxable or not. So we will just create a pivot table, and you have to go to insert, then click on the pivot table, and you have to select the data. And once the data is selected, you can just click on OK, and now pivot table will be created over here. So what we want is we know about the dates, so we don't really have to care about that. We just want to know the categories, or maybe type of transaction first, because if it is a credit or debit, and then category, what is the category of each, and are these taxable or not. So we can just move it here. So we want to know the amounts of each taxable income, and then the deposit amount of each, and we can also have withdrawal amount of each. And since the credit will not have any withdrawal amount but only the deposit amount, we can just have a look at this. So in this case, we are having total taxable income of 62,000 rupees. So in one single snapshot, you will get all the data and all the heads from where you have earned your money and where all the money has gone. In this case, so now we have got our taxable amount with the different heads from where we have earned the money. So this is something which will be useful when you will be filing your tax.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it,
please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.